Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Dr. Ghulam Mohey-ud-din, and today our lecture is about the production possibility frontier and the opportunity cost. This is lecture 2 of this series. In lecture 1, we studied about the production possibility frontier, the attainable combinations of the production, unattainable combinations of the production, and the concept of efficiency and inefficiency. And today we are going to study the opportunity cost elaborated using the production possibility frontier. Before starting our today's lecture, first we must revise our diagram which used in the previous lecture, which we are gonna use in today's lecture again. In previous lecture, we have taken the example of production of two commodities or the products which are DVDs and the cell phone. On x-axis we have taken cell phone and y-axis we have taken the DVDs. Both are million per year. We assumed that an economy using all of its resources, its factor of production, given the fact that the level of technology is also fixed, can either produce DVD or cell phone or a combination of both. And we have taken these combinations of the production of DVDs and cell phone, and by combining these all combinations we got the production possibility frontier represented by blue line. So now we are going to study the opportunity cost. If we talk about our previous example, the opportunity cost of producing cell phone are the decrease in the quantity of DVDs divided by increase in the number of the cell phone if we move along the production possibility frontier. We can depict this by the figure also. This figure or graph shows that right now we are at point A. We are producing 5 million DVD with no cell phone. Cell phone production is zero, whereas all the resources are being used for the production of DVD, which is the 15 million DVDs per year. So now if we move along the production possibility frontier from point A to point B, we get 1 million additional cell phone, but on y-axis we have to forego or we have to leave almost 1 million DVDs. The production of DVDs dropped from 15 million to 14 million. This shows the decrease of DVDs 1 million and increase in the cell phone is equal to 1 million. So there is the opportunity cost of one DVD per one cell phone. And if we continue moving along the production possibility frontier and we move from point B to point C, we get 1 million additional cell phone produced, whereas 2 million DVDs we have to forego, and the production of DVDs dropped from 14 million to 12 million. In this case, the opportunity cost of one cell phone is equal to 2 DVD. And if we continue moving along the PPF and we move from point C to point D over production possibility frontier, we get 1 million additional cell phone, and now we have to forego 3 million DVDs. In this case, the opportunity cost of one cell phone is equal to 3 DVDs. And if we move from point D to point E, now the opportunity cost are 4 DVDs per cell phone. And finally, if we move from point E to F, the opportunity cost now are the 5 DVDs per cell phone. You must have noticed that as long as we move from the production of DVDs to the production of cell phone, our opportunity costs are increasing. This can be shown by this diagram. The opportunity cost when the production of cell phone is equal to 1 million, the opportunity cost is 1. And if the production is 2 million cell phones, the opportunity cost are 2. Similarly, if the production 3 million, then the opportunity cost are 3 DVDs per cell phone. Same is the case if we produce 5 million cell phone, the opportunity cost of one cell phone is equal to 5 DVDs. The opportunity cost and the slope of PPF. The magnitude of the slope of the production possibility frontier actually measures the opportunity cost. And we have shown in the last figure that the slope of the PPF, which is the production possibility frontier, actually measures the opportunity cost of cell phone, and it also shows that it is bent outward. As more cell phones are produced, the PPF become steeper and the opportunity cost of cell phone increases. If we talk about the formula of opportunity cost is basically a ratio. Opportunity cost of a cell phone is the quantity of DVDs foregone divided by the increase in the quantity of cell phone gained. Simply, we can say that how much we have to forego or leave in terms of DVD to get one additional cell phone. This, the opportunity cost and the production possibility are very important concept in economics. The opportunity cost of DVD is the quantity of the cell phone foregone divided by the increase in the numbers of the DVD. And when the opportunity cost of cell phone is X DVD, the opportunity cost of DVD is equal to 1 over X cell phone. So I was talking that the production possibility frontier and the concept of opportunity cost is very important in economics. We have to face a lot of questions. For example, if we talk about a country may have to take a decision. For example, the government should should either produce consumer good or the maybe arms or the defense production. So the country has to take the decisions how much should be spent on the defense budget and how much should be spent on the production of the consumer goods. In case if we are assuming that only two type of the commodities are to be produced. So this concept is very important, and one important point when we start increasing the production of one commodity and we decrease the production of the second commodity, actually our opportunity costs increase. So increasing opportunity costs are everywhere. Just about every activity has an increasing opportunity cost. There are a number of the reasons. So this is your homework, those who are listening, that you should search our internet and libraries that why the opportunity costs are increasing everywhere, why the every activity has an increasing opportunity cost. So please search and write your finding in the comments. And that's all about today's lecture. We will continue this. So thank you very much for watching and listening this lecture. I would really appreciate if you could please like this video and subscribe my channel. And I would also request you to please press the bell icon in case you are interested in watching our next videos and the lectures. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.